Well, hello everybody. This is Reagan, your RV traveler's voice, and it's Prime Days. Yes, it's the day for Amazon Prime deals, and so we put together a list of several items that we've used or are using over the years, over our 5 years with Fred and Ethel in the background there. So if you're in the market for items you need or want or just want to try out, check out our list, click the links and they'll take you to the products that we use, the upgrades, the hacks, the ideas, the tips, the tricks that we've used in our 5 years of camping with Fred and Ethel. So be sure to click the link to the file, the list that we have shared with you, and that link will be in our description. Thanks for shopping. We'll see you down the road. Let us know if you have any questions.